Hello my angels, subscribe to my obsession and press the bell icon on the YouTube app to never miss any update.
Hi my angels, welcome back to my obsession. This is Anamika here and today I'm here with the unboxing and review of Glamego Box. Now I'm pretty sure you already heard about Glamego Box, but if you haven't, let me tell you, Glamego Box is India's #1 beauty subscription box. Now Glamego is a monthly subscription box and this is the theme of November, and this is just because of Diwali. You can see how gorgeous and festive this box looks. The lady is looking so beautiful and ready to go for the Diwali party. And as I already told you, Glamego Box is a monthly subscription box and you get 4 to 5 products each month at your doorstep. Now you have to just sign up to their website and choose the plan according to your liking and you can place your order. So I'm going to provide you all the information and their website link so you can just go and choose your plan. So now let's see what I have in my November box. So this is how the box looks and this is how it is. And now I'm just going to open this. As you can see, this has a very beautiful pattern going on and this box is looking very festive and very colorful at the same time. So I've got these two cards here and I'm going to just read them out for you all. So this is the first card and they have include all the details about the products they have in this box, but I'm going to read this out later for you guys. But before that, I got to talk to you guys about 5 facts about me and 5 facts about Glamego Box. So let's start with it. So the first fact about me is I am hell scared of flying cockroaches and lizards, and I absolutely hate them and I get that icky feeling. I can't really tolerate it, but yeah, let's not talk about that. So the second one is I'm very talented, as you guys already know, and I can apply mehendi with my left hand to my right, and I can definitely, like do the copy of left to right, like you know what I mean, the mirror image as well. So this is one of the talent I have. I can like apply mehendi with my left hand to my right. Yeah. So the third one is I have very bad spice tolerance. I am not a sweet tooth person, but I can't have spicy food at all. So number 4 is little weird, but I don't know why I think like this. Like whenever I'm having Maggi or pizza, I can't have ketchup with it. I feel like it's gonna change the taste of it and it's not gonna taste as yummy it should. So this is number 4, and number 5 is, so being a Bengali, I always get to hear this from people that they don't like rajma chawal at all, but I absolutely love eating rajma chawal. And for many of you guys don't know that I was a vegetarian for a really long time, but now I am a non-veg again. So this is fact number 5, and I love eating rajma chawal anytime, any place, everywhere, and I am just crazy about it. You can just serve me hot rajma chawal and I can have it, like even for breakfast till my dinner time. If you just give me rajma chawal, I can just have rajma chawal for the entire day, maybe for a month. So yeah, I'm a little weird that way, but I love rajma chawal. So this was 5 facts about me. So now let's take a look on the second card, and it says 5 facts about Glamego. So the first fact about Glamego is 100% original and genuine products. The second fact is product sourced directly from premium and luxury brand. The third fact is includes product which can be used every day. Fourth one is lakhs of happy and satisfied customers all over India. Fifth one is get more than 4 times of what you pay. Be the lucky one to win 10,000 worth beauty products. For more information, please check out their website. And now let's see what we have inside this box right here. So the first product is Sesa Mud Hair Spa Kit, and this is the 3-step therapy for silky, shiny and healthy hair, ideal for unisex use. Now let's see what's inside. So there are 3 sachets inside this box, and the first one is therapeutic hair shampoo. This is the first step. Then there is this deep nourishing mud hair mask, and they have 2 sachets for this. And there is a third step, a revitalizing hair serum. So this was the first box. So this is the first card, which includes all the price and the product details. So the Sesa hair spa kit is for 99 rupees. And now we have the second product, and this is the Healthvit activated charcoal powder for natural tooth whitening. And I'm really looking forward to try this, because as you guys already know, right now charcoal powders are really hyped. So I'm really looking forward to this. So the charcoal powder is worth rupees 300. Now let's move on to the next product. And this is the voste Ulti Matte Liquid Lipstick, and this is in the shade 06 Wild Child, and I'm going to show you the color from inside. So this is a gorgeous red shade, and as you guys already know me, I am crazy about red color. So this is the color right here. I'm even going to do a lip swatch for this. And the voste lipstick cost for 599 rupees. And then we have a body mist, and this is the Biobloom skincare body mist for all skin type in the fragrance Water Lily. And I'm sure they definitely have different fragrances as well. But now let's check the smell of this. And this has a very beautiful flower fragrance to it, and I think this is perfect for summers. So this retails for 450 rupees. So the last and the fifth product is a body lotion sample size, and this is the Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula with Vitamin E. And let's check how this smells. This smells like cocoa. It smells like chocolate actually. I just want to apply this little bit. It smells yummy. It smells exactly like chocolate. I just love it, and this is definitely going in my bag. And even the body mist. So this was the November Glamego box, and I hope you all enjoyed this unboxing and review. So if you enjoyed this video and if you liked their products, go and check out the link in the description box to reach out to their website. And what are you waiting for? Go place your order. And if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell button so you'll be notified whenever I'm coming up with a new video. So that's it for this video. We'll see you in my next one. Till then, love you all. Mwah. Bye.
Please click on the images so you can watch my previous videos, and if you really want to follow me on Facebook and Instagram, the links are given below, and even you can follow me on my blog page. And for subscribing to my channel, please click on the image, and thank you so much for watching. Please wait for the next one.